friends, the day has finally come for one of those fabulous holiday parties I told you about. I have got ready partially, so I've done hair and makeup, have my jewelry on. We're in all the bling. I'm going to show you in more detail after I put my dress on, but I need to unbox the dress. So that's why I'm not wearing it. It's from House of CB. It's fabulous. Well, we hope it's fabulous. We also have a gift from our Tiffany essay, which I will unbox with you. And if you remember a few weeks ago, I went shopping at Chanel and bought a new festive purse. So we will unbox that together as well. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jody. This channel is all about luxury and locks, heavy on the luxury jewelry, but I also show you affordable alternatives that you can add to your collection and also talk about how to start your collection. So tonight I'm going to this festive, fabulous party. We're going to unbox all of these. We're going to get dressed and I will hopefully get to film at the party so I can kind of show you some of what's going on. I think it's in this really nice house on one of our most exclusive streets. So hopefully I can take you with me. So guys, before I get into this festivity, like my heart is hurting. I saw this girl today and I know, Riley, no, absolutely. Close the door. Still home. My daughter is here. She's with the babysitter. She's running around in the house. It's almost her bedtime. So anyways, back to what I was saying. So I'll just make it really short. One of the things that really breaks my heart is single moms who are having a hard time. Like, a struggling mother is so difficult for me to watch. So the charities that I support are like Drake House, that provides housing for single women until they can get on their feet. Heart to Home, that helps to provide single mothers with housing and furniture and things like that. I'm very passionate about helping single mothers to thrive. So those are the charities I support. So when I saw this girl today at Whole Foods with a sign holding her baby, had absolutely nothing, and I could see in her that she was a genuine person just going through a really rough time, and I just broke down crying in my car. Luckily the bank that I go to is like right there, and I went to the ATM and I gave her some money, and then I saw other people start to give her bags of groceries and bags of supplies like baby things. And then this man was talking to her in depth, and I feel like he's probably going to help her even more. But it just hurt my heart so bad. So I'm just saying this to say, guys, I've had my rough trauma of single motherhood, as you guys know. It took me a little while, but I'm a really strong person, and I dug myself out of it and made a comeback, and I just want to help other women to do the same. And this is all prior to my husband and everything. Like, I on my own found a way to like keep on thriving and to build myself, but it was not easy. And so I ask myself why all the time. Why do you do this? Like, some days I only sleep like 4 hours between working on JODI Melissa, my business, between YouTube, being a mom, and all the goals that I have. And I'm like, why don't you just go chill on the beach and not do this? And seeing her today reminded me of my why. I'm not doing this for me. I'm doing it to be a resource and to be able to make impact and to change someone else's life. One day I want to be Drake House. I want to have the Jody Mosley Foundation for single struggling mothers or whatever. It's so dear to my heart, you know what I mean? And so I do this for them. I do this for my family and my friends, people around me. I just want to see everybody win, and that is why I am here. Ultimately, that is a goal of my channel. It's not about me. It's for making my cup even more full so I can distribute myself to even more people, because that is what's important. I want to leave a mark. I want to change lives, and I want to help other women. So that being said, guys, let's unbox my dress, and then I'll put it on, and then we'll unbox these, and then I'm gonna go off to the party, and I will hopefully get to show you guys what's going on there. So this dress is from House of CB, and I'm really impressed with their packaging. This is my first purchase from House of CB. I've seen very beautiful dresses by them, and I wanted to try them for something a bit more festive like this. I want to say I spent $160 on this dress. Yeah, So it is a leather dress with the cinching at the waist. It has spaghetti straps and it looks beautiful, high quality leather. Let me go ahead and put it on and then we will continue with our unboxing. Alright guys, let me just say House of CB came all the way through with this dress. Look at the snatching. It's so gorgeous. Love this dress. I will put a link to it in the description box for you. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment in order to support my channel and help us to grow and help me to get on this huge mission that I have ahead of me. So let's go ahead and get started with our unboxing. Let's see what we got from our Tiffany essay for our gift. So this is the holiday wrapper, as you guys probably remember from my 1,000 subscriber video. This is how they're wrapping the holiday items. And we'll do this. And there's 2 things in there. I'm hoping they didn't send more trinket trays. Oh my gosh, we got more trinket trays. But they're the ones we don't have yet. I have a completely silver one and then I have an all green one. So this has a splash of green. And yeah, this one has a splash of green too. So we got more trinket trays. So I have no reason to be putting anything on the countertops. So yeah, great. Very cute gift. So let us open up my Chanel purse. If you haven't seen the vlog yet for when I went shopping for this purse, you can go ahead and watch it. It's the one where I talked about my husband making me mad and I went shopping and all of that good stuff. There's a link in the description box. It's also on your screen. So I looked at a few things and this was the one I wanted for the purpose of tonight and for other festive things that I may have going on in my life. So I should be a veteran at this by now, but obviously I am not and I cannot figure out how to open. Here we are. Okay. Oh wow, it's even prettier than I remembered. Yay. Here is our new Chanel bag, guys. Isn't she a beauty? Let me turn the lights down so you can see. So here's our new Chanel bag. I think she's so pretty. She's so festive. Look how good she looks with my black and my diamonds. That's the look I was going for. The CC is very small on it. It's very sparkly. It does not have a pocket in the back here. Let's just open her up real quick. Get all this stuff out. We have a little interior pocket. There's also a second zipper pocket. Never seen that yet. So one up here, we have our second one, and then this nice open space. So tonight I'm going to use my card holder that I showed you in the 1,000 subscriber video. This is a pretty big enough purse, right? This is how it's looking. So it's pretty sizable. It's gonna fit my phone just great. Let's do this. So yeah, it's a really good size. Very good size, right? It can fit things, but it still looks really elegant. The straps will go full length, shoulder bag, and then very easily you can switch to having it like this.
Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done.
Alright guys, so I'm off to this party. I will check in with you when I get there and we'll talk about how fabulous it is. Oh my gosh guys, so this place is ridiculous. This is a backyard. I love nature, so I found outside. So they've got like a little pool area here. This is a pool. And someone said I should do this and then look at the house from out here to get a different perspective. So that's what we're about to do. And let's do it. This is so gorgeous. And in case you guys were wondering, yes, I am just a little bit overdressed, but you know, I have to bring the glam. So I'm okay with it. I got a glass of wine. Everybody's pretty chill, really nice. There are some people who are pretty dressed up too, but count on me to be extra. So that's what we'll do. Cheers. If you guys like my jewelry, please go watch my jewelry videos and check out other things on my channel. And I'll see what else I find that I can show you. See you later.
In the name of love, in the name of love, I'm gonna call you up. In the name of love, I'm gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet.
Well, hello friends. I just left the party and I'm on my way to the St. Regis or to Garden Room. I'm not sure which one I want to stop at. I did leave early. I met two very important groups that I wanted to meet. I didn't even know they were there, but fate has it that they were, and I met them, and that's all I really needed out of the night. I didn't really know anyone to be chit-chatting with, so it didn't make sense to keep on staying there. But I met two groups. So you know, my brand is JODI Melissa, and we're a sustainable company, and my mission is to help reduce plastic waste in our environment and so on and so forth. So I met a company that offers sustainable packaging. So they offer sustainable like boxes and so forth that you can ship your items in, and the customer returns the packaging to you and you use it again and again and again. And I feel like that's such a great solution, because I don't want to be a company that says, hey, we're a sustainable brand, but then I turn around and ship your stuff in not sustainable packaging. Now, at this moment, I am using sustainable packaging. I have biodegradable poly mailers for JODI Melissa, but they're an upgrade to that, and so it was awesome to meet them. The next company that I met is called Pivot. They offer retail space to small brands that don't have their own retail space, that would like to have like a shelf or two, or like a small corner in an existing business. And that is so awesome for me. I do a lot of pop-ups, 1 or 2 per month. As you guys probably know, I'm doing a 5-week long one now at the Christmas market here in Buckhead Village. And I'm like, oh my gosh, after that is over, it would be cool to have more of a permanent retail space in more established businesses. And so I met the founder, CEO of that company. So that was pretty cool. So everything was fabulous. The house was very nice. I'm going to show you some pictures of it and so on and so forth. And yeah, it was beautiful. I loved the outside. The interior, I'm more of a minimalist chic kind of girl. I didn't love how they decorated, but that's none of my business. So yeah, that's it. Let me show you what's gonna happen here tonight at the St. Regis or Garden Room. I don't know which one. I'm glad you like it. Thank you. Thank you.
Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do.